Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and today I am filming for you Drop 10 by Summer, which is a Project Pan collab with the Pantastic Ladies Facebook group. And this runs from March 21st to June 21st, and the idea is to try to finish up 10 products, and if we want to, we can also try to lose 10 pounds before June 21st as well. So I'm planning to participate in both parts of the challenge. So I've picked out 10 products for you, and I've got them here. As a side note, I'm having one of those days where I just like hate my makeup. And not just like part of it, but I hate all of it. And I hate things that I normally really like my mascara. Like, what is that, you know? And like, I'm wearing Tarte Shape Tape, and I don't even like that today. I feel like it's one of those days when I should just wash my face and go back to bed, you know? Anyway, so my 10 products in no particular order. I'll start with a primer. I've got the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It's just a deluxe size sample that I got, I think off the Sephora website, I'm not sure. And I've never actually used this at all, but if you can see through the packaging in light, and it's about right there. So although it's brand new, not a ton of product in there. It's a sample. So I'm gonna try to get that one worked out in my collection just because the packaging is taking up too much space for the amount of product that's in there. So get that one out of the way. Next up, I've got a foundation. I've got the Advanced Real Moisture Liquid Foundation by Touch and Soul. Looks like this. I got it in an Ipsy bag a couple months ago, and it's okay. I don't mind it. It does feel moisturizing, but it doesn't really set on the skin, so I don't really like that sticky kind of feel on my face all day. And I think once summer rolls around and it's hotter out and you're sweating, I'm gonna like that feeling even less. It's also a fairly light shade, so I want to get that one out of my collection while I'm still pretty fair. I have used it quite a bit. I think I'm about right there on the product, so yeah. Another one that I've got, and this one is kind of weird. It's a Dermablend Intense Powder Camo in the shade Ivory, and I talked about this in my 18 and 2018 Project Pan, and I really hate this powder. It was way too light for me, even though I was shade matched for it. So I tried to repress it, and I mixed it in with another Maybelline powder that was a darker shade, and I did a crappy job repressing it, and I still don't like it. So still, you can see how that looks. Not that pretty. Want it out of my collection. I'm sick of it kicking around, so the starting point, and I'll insert pictures of these too for photo comparisons with the updates. But yeah, I want to get that one out of my collection. I just don't like it. I want it gone. But for some reason, I can't get myself to just throw it out or declutter it. Like I don't know why. You know, you have those products sometimes you just can't seem to want to get rid of, even though you don't like them. I want to like it. Next up, I've got a highlight, a cream highlight. It's by the shade, it's by the company Barfly highlighter. It also came in an Ipsy bag. It's in the shade H001 Candlelight. I've only used it a couple times. I tried to use it today, and then I put another highlight over top of it. I don't like cream highlight, and I find this is pretty pale for my skin, but I want to try to get some use out of it. I marked it here on a sheet of paper. This one here. Like that. So there's not a ton of product in there, but because it's a highlighter, like I think that'll last quite a while. But I'd like to get some use out of it, at least decide if I like it or not. And it's pretty glittery, so I don't know. We'll see. I might end up using it like on my collarbones or something if I don't like it on my face, but I want to give it a try. So what else do I have here? I have an eyeliner, and I actually marked these last night, and then I ended up using a lot of these products today because it's not a good sign that I hate my makeup and it's all these products. Oh well. And it looks like just a little nub, but it's been in my collection and it keeps hanging on, and I can't seem to get myself to use it. So I want to get rid of it. And I've got a lot of like purple mauvey stuff in my collection, or in this project pan, and I kind of feel like that stuff's more wintry and I won't get use out of it once summer hits. So like I said, I actually used this today, so it's a little bit shorter than what I have marked on there, but that's kind of where we stand with that guy. We'll see how much more product is in there. I mean, probably not a whole lot by the time you actually sharpen it, but it's gonna take me a while to use that one. Oops, I dropped the lid. And I've got a Bite Beauty lip pencil in the shade 016. I'm also using this today underneath my lipstick. It's kind of like a mauvey purple tone, and then I've got a Buxom Big and Sexy Sultry Mauve lipstick on top of it. So that is this one here. And again, I marked it yesterday, so it might not be quite the same. Or sorry, I marked it, yeah, last night. But that's where we stand with that one. And I think I can get rid of this one if I use it to fill in my lips completely. And I like to do that because I feel like sometimes my lipstick will wear off and I'll be left with just like a lip liner around the outside of my lips, and I don't really like how that looks. But if you fill in your lips completely, I feel like that doesn't happen as often. So yeah, I want to work that one out of my collection. I do like it, but Bite Beauty products are, you know, food grade ingredients and natural, so I don't want it kicking around for too long. It's not a shade I think I'll use in the warmer months or in the fall, so the time is now. And I've got 3 products left. I'll get through the last one that's on this marked sheet here. I've got the, I guess I'll show you guys, it looks like this. It's just a little Bite Beauty Agave lip. Why can't I think of what this is called? A lip balm. Little lip balm. It came in a set of 3 with a lip scrub, a lip mask, and then this guy. So they're kind of smaller. And I like it, but it's pretty heavy, and I think it's better for the winter. Get it out of my collection in the summer. I think it'll be a little too heavy on the lips, so get some use out of it while I can. And again, natural products, so don't really want it kicking around for too long. So where is it? It's this one here. Not a ton of product in there, and it is a lip balm, so I don't think that one will be too challenging, but I do want the motivation just to work it out of my collection. And last 2 products, I've got Urban Decay All Nighter, and it's just a deluxe, not a deluxe size sample. I paid for this, but it's like the minis that you can buy. And I really like this stuff, but I mean, there's not a ton left, and I just want to work it out of my collection, so I marked it on here. I can't see through the packaging, but I think we're about right there from shaking it around. So yeah, again, not a ton left, but I just want to get use out of it, get rid of it. I hate packaging kicking around when there's like hardly any product left. I love to just get rid of that kind of stuff. So hopefully that'll be gone. And last product, it's the Viktor and Rolf Bonbon body lotion, perfumed body lotion. And I just used up the similar packaging to this. I just used up the shower gel of this. So now I want to work through the body lotion. I got this for Christmas, like a year. Not the Christmas that just happened, but the one before that. So, I mean, it says 12 months on here. It's more than 12 months by a little bit. I want to work it out of my collection. It's something I really don't reach for because it's a perfume body lotion. And I marked it here. I think it's going to be hard to use up. It's very perfumey and very scented. So I usually will just take a little bit of this and put it just like on my wrists as like and rub them together as you would with a regular perfume. It's not something that I'm like slathering all over my body. So yeah, I think it's going to be a while to get this one out of the collection, but because it's getting older, I want to get some good use out of it. So yeah, that's our starting point. Anyway, those are my 10 products that I want to get rid of before June 21st. And the other thing is the drop 10 pounds. I did weigh myself this morning, so I'll insert a picture of the scale here. And yeah, I'm hoping to lose 10 pounds from there. I did recently lose like 20 pounds, so, you know, I don't feel... It might not be that easy to lose 10 pounds right now, but I would like to try still. I think if I lost 10 pounds, I would actually be very comfortable and very happy at my kind of ideal weight. I know everybody says, oh, you know, I'd love to lose 10 pounds, and it's just like what every person says, but I really do feel like if I lost 10 pounds, that would be my ideal weight. So yeah, it'll definitely be a process for sure, and I'm excited to try and tackle it. So yeah, anyway, check out all the rest of the ladies that are doing the Drop 10 by Summer collab video, and yeah, I'm excited to give you guys some updates and make some good progress on these products. So have a good day.